Notice this is going to be your living area space. As you can see, the kitchen area space is open, which means you can redesign it. This is what your master bedroom looks like if you can already. So here's presenting to you TMSR Skylar. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of TMSR Skylar, which is located opposite to your Mamta Academy of Medical Sciences, Bachupalli, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. So your marketing office is right over here and your land parcel is located right there. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Coming over to the project overview, you see the project is constructed on 2.5 acres of land parcel, featuring 2 towers with 4 basement ground and 32 floors, having 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK. Now let's have a look at the amenities part. So the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse that is going to be 25,000 square feet, which is going to be of 4 levels. Then you will obviously have a swimming pool, you're going to have kids play area and a lot more. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project, which is located right opposite to your Mamta Academy of Medical Sciences College, Bachupalli, Hyderabad. Now, when we talk about the connectivity, you see your outer ring road is very close by from here, and you also have your Kennedy High, the global school, right from here. Now, coming over to your connectivity part, you see the outer ring road is just 4 kilometers away from here, and the Miapur metro station is also just 6.2 kilometers from here, and 300 meters away you have your Kennedy High, the global school. Hello everyone, now we will be doing the sample flat tour for TMSR Skylar for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 1650 square feet. So let's get the video started. On the entrance, of course, you have your huge wooden door which has your normal key lock system, and then if you notice, this is going to be your living area space. As you can see, the living area space is extremely spacious. So it starts all the way from this corner and ends up till that corner. So your couch or your table, chair, everything can come on this side. You can even add your whole dining table on the center of the area, and you can even add an extra couch on this corner. You can add a bookshelf here on the side corner or redesign it. You can even have something else over there, and then you also again have this whole other center space over here. You can even add an extra wash basin or a dressing table or redesign it however you like. And then right in front of this, you obviously have your balcony attached. So this is what your entire balcony area space looks like. You have proper tiling done to it. You also have your railing system attached for your safety reasons and perfect outside view of the entire society area. Now, of course, your kitchen is right very close to this area. So as you can see, the kitchen area space is open, which means you can redesign it, or you can even turn it into your open modern kitchen area. The tiling again for your kitchen is done very nicely. You have your wash basin on this corner, your stove can come on this corner, you have your normal window and your chimney system as well. Now, of course, the balcony comes with an attached utility balcony, and this is also again extremely long. So you can add your washing machine, you have electric switch, and again railing outside view also. Now coming over to your bedroom space, so your first bedroom is on this corner, your second is also right opposite to it, and you also have your open washroom area space. If you notice, the common washroom area space is very big. You have your proper shower system, the tiling again and flooring that is done inside the washroom is very matte and unique like. You also have your exhaust fan. So coming to our first bedroom, this is what your first bedroom looks like. You have this huge entrance space on this corner. So if you want, you can add your TV on this side of the room, or even if you want, you can add your table and chair on this side of the room, because you also have a window system enough for your ventilation. You can have your AC unit on this room as well, and you can add a huge wardrobe system as well, because the height ceiling inside the house is really well done. Now coming to your second room, Like I said, your second room is directly opposite to it. So this is what your second room looks like. Again, you have a very big entrance space right in front of your room. So your wardrobe system can also be extended all the way up to that corner. And then you have this open area space again in front of your bed. In this room also you have your AC system. Now, the best part about this room is that this comes with your attached balcony area. So your balcony area again is very long. If you notice, it has that and this corner as well. And you have your huge railing attached to it. And again, this balcony also gives you direct view access point. Now, before we get into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you get all the information you need about the project, like location, and we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you also get EMI, down payment, exclusive pricing details, you get pros and cons of the project as well. You can also get a 360 virtual tour of the project directly on the website. If you want to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you can either click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, or you can go to Housey's official website, and you can also download the e-brochure and the pricing sheets as well. So this is what your master bedroom looks like. If you can already tell that this is extremely spacious from your other rooms. So first you have this entire corner space area dedicated to yourselves. You can add a table right in front of it, or your dressing table where you have proper window system for your ventilation and your sunlight as well. And then again on this corner you have this whole space where your TV can come, or you can change that. And right next to your wardrobe area space, this again corner space is still left. You can either extend that, you can turn it into your mini walk-in closet, or change that. Now this room comes with your attached washroom. If you notice, the tiling and flooring for your attached washroom over here is different, and you have shower system and toiletry system spaced out, and then you also have your exhaust fan placed perfectly. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about TMSR Skylar. Hope you liked the walkthrough. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.